Oh, here we are, gently sailing up the Blackwater. She's gonna jibe soon, I suppose, but coming up to the Molliette. There's a lovely brass compass, radio blaring away. Look at that, steers herself, just tie a knot round the tiller. There's the water going by. Just think of Radio 4 sailing by. As it goes, doo 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 doo. Anyway, you know. But she's going nice. Hopefully I'm going to make Osey Island tonight. We're just kind of sailing into the sunset, really. Yeah, she's going a little bit off course. Fucking motorboats keep coming past and rolling the bloody thing around all over the place. Oh, airplane. Yeah, I'm having a great time. The first time I've ever sailed it by myself as well. Ah, beautiful. Got me beer for later. She's going up the Blackwater nicely. Look at that, just walk forward. Ropes are a mess. Normally if we've got a crew, they can actually tidy these away, but anyway. Let's have another look over the bow. Oh, look at that, eh? She's making good speed, considering. Past the Molliette now. That's that beacon in the distance there. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the jib. And now nearly fell over the side. Come on now, boys.